So today we're off to go grab some bits for this thing, mainly a new bumper, the ABS pump with all the wiring and stuff, and the ABS wheel speed sensors. I was going to get some reclining seats, but unfortunately they won't fit in this one without significant modification. I unfortunately don't have time for that, and I'm not skilled enough to do that. I've also got a few other things that I might end up grabbing, like the strips on the side and some other stuff. So you'll join me further on in the journey. We are currently stuck in a McDonald's queue because I want some breakfast because I'm starving. The reason for this trip is obviously there's this it's not beige, is it? Crying out. That dark red colour, Rover Sterling down in an area somewhere down south, and I'm gonna go grab some bits off of it today. So that's the reason for this video, just before you all know. Of course, we're in the 75, doing as good as ever, no warning lights, full tank of fuel. We're on 136,541 miles and it's 9 degrees outside. We should be okay. We've got our music, we've got our climate control, put it on econ because I'm poor, and we will be fine. I also happen to wear this or you get fined. So yeah, anyway, I forgot my mask, so I've got to wear a full windshield. But yeah, we'll be good, and I will keep you updated.
So here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. It's the really depressing looking G-Reg Rover Sterling from Facebook. So it's a Coventry registered or factory registered model, so it's got DU at the end of the reg. It's the standard affair really, C27A, 2.7 litre V6. It has the electric seats with the reclining seats in the rear, a very nice Game Boy. I don't think that came with the car though. The leather seats are actually in really good condition, as are the door cards. Unfortunately one of the windows got smashed though, but the car all around is quite crusty, quite damp and musty. The boot carpet is absolutely just, it's like a swamp in the back of there. However, there are still some very good bits left, so I'm going to link in the description the guy that is breaking it, so if you have any questions about this car, you can let him know. Of course, all the wheel arches are really crusty. The sills are actually not bad. The sills are really solid on this car, which I'm very chuffed about. But everything else is just a bit rancid really. There are still a lot of good bits on the car. Of course, the engine turns over but doesn't fire, so the car doesn't move under its own steam, if you will. The steering wheel and everything is in really good condition. The roof, the sunroof aperture though, is absolutely done in, unfortunately. There are still some pretty good panels left on the car, and I took quite a bit, but there you go, there is the tour of the G-Reg Rover Sterling from Facebook. Message the guy if you want some bits, links in the description.
So you join me on the side of the road and it's really rainy. I'm in Nelson's County apparently, I don't know who that is. Call me a history buff. So we got 2 lights, the metal strips, this lovely trip computer with the thingamabob as well. I need one of them because my little thingy has come off. Yeah, it's bled a bit, but who cares. And some wheel speed sensors. I originally wanted the bumper and stuff, but hey ho, it didn't fit my car, and I don't think I could have fitted it in this car either. So you probably note that the car looks a bit better than it does in the other videos. That's because you've actually skipped along, if you know what I mean. I thought it would be good to do this episode rather than the other episodes of me just fixing the car. So yeah, back to normal next week. Thank you for watching and keep watching. I'm going to drive home in the 75, which I need to service it. And it has a warning light, but that's okay, we'll be all right. So thank you for watching and keep watching. I'll see you next time.